stop looking at the spec sheet. You are being lied to by a number. You see 9,000 milliampere battery and think you found the holy grail of smartphones, but by the time this video ends, you'll realize that this massive battery is actually a smokescreen hiding a devastating compromise. This is the OnePlus Turbo 6, or as we know it, the Note 6, and it is the most manipulative phone launch of the year. Let's expose the first secret. On the surface, this device screams flagship killer with a Snapdragon 8 series processor and a stunning AMOLED display. But hold that thought, because there is a physical price you pay for that power that the marketing team is desperate to hide. But here is the twist you didn't see coming. Drop this phone in water, drag it through the dust, and it survives. With IP69K certification, it is virtually indestructible. So, is it a tank or a clumsy mistake? The answer lies in the screen. You might think a rugged phone means a trash display. Wrong. This 1.5K 165Hz panel destroys that assumption. It's vibrant, symmetrical, and hits a blinding 1800 nits. You will fall in love with this screen instantly. But don't let the pretty colors distract you, because we are about to uncover the fatal flaw that ruins everything. Turn the phone around, look at that camera module. It looks like an upgrade, doesn't it? That is the trap. While the main 50-megapixel shooter is decent, they secretly gutted the one feature creators rely on. They destroyed the ultra-wide lens. It's gone, replaced by a useless 2-megapixel sensor. And the selfie camera? Slashed from 50 megapixel down to 16. They gave you battery life so you could record longer videos, but made the cameras so limited you won't want to record anything at all. So, is the trade-off worth it? If you care about photography, run away. But if you want a media beast that never dies, this is your only option. Subscribe to the Upgrade Tech right now if you want to stop tech companies from tricking you with big numbers.